Hey there, what's up YouTube? I am Jerry and welcome back to my show, The Chicago Griller. Today, I have a real treat for you. You know when you were a kid and you went to summer camp, what was your favorite dessert? That's right, s'mores. Now, I live in the middle of the city, so I don't exactly have easy access to bonfires or campgrounds, but I do have a trusty gas grill. Now, as you know, s'mores don't need any kitchen prep, so let's just head on over to the grill and show you how it's done. To make s'mores on a Weber Q, we need to make a couple of modifications. First, you're going to remove one half of your grill grates. Doesn't matter which half. And on the other half of the grill, you're going to set up a roasting rack. You're going to line it with aluminum foil so that the rack gets indirect heat. And now, we are going to turn the gas to high and hit the ignition to start the grill. You don't have to wait for the grill to preheat, just go ahead and grab your favorite graham crackers and lay as many as you'd like on the roasting rack. Then grab some chocolate squares, I recommend Hershey's or Ghirardelli's, and close the lid for a quick 15 seconds. After a quick 15 seconds to melt the chocolate a little bit, we are going to grab a couple marshmallows that are attached to this carving fork and roast it directly over the open flame on the exposed side of the grill. It's important to note that the flames on a gas grill, and specifically the Weber Q gas grill, actually doesn't get that hot. The Weber Q is designed to work with the lid closed, so if you want to trap a little bit of heat in, you could slowly rotate your marshmallows on this fork while closing the lid as far as you can. With some experimentation, I found that about 90 seconds to 2 minutes of roasting over the flames, with or without the lid closed, seems to get the job done. And once your marshmallows have reached your desired level of gooiness, you can take another graham cracker and slide each marshmallow directly onto each s'more. And press down on the s'more a little bit so that the two halves can stick together. Now I'll grab another graham cracker and complete the second s'more. Now, of course, for the purposes of this video, I am going to plate these s'mores up and show you what it looks like. Just like you remember from your childhood, right? See, wasn't that easy? And that's how you cook up s'mores in the middle of a big city. And all you need is a Weber Q or any other gas grill. Definitely pull this trick out at your next cookout and you'll be the star of the show, at least for all the kids at the cookout. Let me know in the comment section down below if you plan on trying this out in the city or at your next cookout. I'd be curious to know how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed what you saw in this program, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. Now, of course, as usual, if you have time, I'd really appreciate it if you stuck around and watched some of my other videos. Otherwise, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you all again soon. Bye now.